This is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Show it to you now. Here, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. I would add your photos here in the gallery link here, and also your contact details in this section, and or if you have any other info that you want to add or any other services, we also have the link here. And also if you want to add about your company, there you go, you can add it here. Yeah, if this website would be good for you or would be helpful for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Yeah, I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon. Thank you.